In this video, we're going to cover how to create a gallery list page. So the first thing I want to show you is what a gallery list page looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and take you to a demo that we already have set up. This is a gallery list page. It's a grid of images that are links. So you can have an image, a title, and it can link to different pages or external places from your website. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you if I were to click on this link right here to take me to an album. So it's a great way if you have a lot of information that you want to categorize, you can go ahead and do that here. So some people use it to show bio pages from different photographers in their studio. Some people use it to create links to different albums that they have. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create that now. So if you go into the back end, we're in the content tab and you have all your list of pages here. We're going to create a new page and we're going to call it portfolio. And I'm going to go ahead and click the gallery list and click create. So one of the first things I want to show you is that in the settings tab, it shows you the amount of columns and rows that you can have. So if you have a 3x3, it's going to look like this, 3x3. So you can go ahead and change that at any time here. We're going to leave it 3x3 right now. So in order to make this first box right here, we're going to go ahead and click the entries tab and we're going to click new. And I'm just going to title it first box. And I'm going to upload an image. So I'm going to go ahead and look for an image that I already have cropped and saved web ready. And I'm going to upload that image. And then I'm going to decide where it links to. So let's say that we're going to go ahead and link this to our wedding album that we created in a previous video. I'm going to link to a page that I created, click link to a page you created, and find that page right there. So the page that I'm looking for is this wedding album page. And I'm going to go ahead and make sure that it opens in the same window. If it was linking externally, I would have it open in a separate window so that it doesn't close my website. But since we're linking to an internal page, we want it to stay in the same window. So I'm going to make sure it's in the same window, and I'm going to go ahead and click save. You can see that the page is right here, and now I click save. So I have that set up, and there's the title, the image, and the link. And when I click create entry, you're going to see it populate right here. So let's go ahead and just preview this page. What you're going to notice is when I roll over this image, the title of it, first box, actually comes up right there. So when you're titling it, you want to make sure that it explains where they're linking to. For this purpose, I just wanted you to show that it was going to land in that first area. So now what I want to do is I want to go back and I want to show you that if I change the settings, 3 columns and rows, I'm going to change this to 2 and change this to 2 and click save. And I'm going to go ahead and refresh this. And you can see that it changes my grid around. So if I go ahead and I click on this, that link takes me to the album page that I linked it to. So that's your gallery list page. And just to kind of go back and refresh it, you have your entries. So to create a second box, you would just repeat the same as what you did for the first box. You would create a title. You would upload an image. And you would create a link. So for this purpose, I'm going to go ahead and type in http:// www.google.com, and this would be linking externally, let's say your blog, and I want it to open in a new window, create entry, and now that second box is created, and if we preview it, you're now going to see the 2 boxes, and the first one is here, the second one is here, and when I click on it, it should spawn a new window, which it did, and take you to Google. So there you have how to make this. You just want to go ahead and fill these in and make sure that you have a nice even number so it looks all filled in. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us through support. Thanks so much for watching.